Alright, welcome back. At last, Sunday Igboho tells Buhari what the Yoruba nation needs from him. Alright, the news in details. Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Sunday Igboho, a Yoruba nation agitator, has stated that he and his supporters will not abandon their demand for the Yoruba nation. President Buhari was told by Igboho that they do not want to restructure but rather an independent Yoruba nation. The activist went on to say that he wasn't alone in his demand and that he had the backing of several powerful people in the background. He further criticized that the current administration had marginalized the Southwest in terms of government appointments. Our demand is simple. Tell Buhari that we don't want to restructure. We want the Yoruba nation. He stated, "There is no turning back on the Yoruba nation. We put our trust in God. God has heard the cry of the Yorubas." Alright, and then onto this, he had said a lot of things. And then according to him, he also said that I am saying this with confidence. Nobody can kill us in this fight. May God lead us to our intended destination. Many people are even raving about the issue on social media. I urge them to participate and support. Awareness and peaceful rallies are now taking place across the Southwest. We are not joking. We are pursuing the Yoruba nation right now. I am not the only one pushing the Yoruba nation agenda right now. I have been meeting and then working with a lot of prominent undergrounds. Alright, Igboho made the statement after receiving a vehicle from some benefactors in support of the Yoruba nation agitation. Meanwhile, Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, revealed on Monday that the Eastern Security Network does not support native doctors. This was revealed by the IPOB leader in response to a police statement claiming that ESN militants killed a native doctor who was producing charms for them in Hawomama Oru East local government area of Imo State. The native doctor Pascal Okeke was beheaded by ESN after the charms he prepared for them failed, according to Mike Abatam, the media advisor to the Commissioner of Police in Imo State. In a statement, Kano stated that IPOP and ESN do not believe in fetish objects and do not murder anybody in the southeast. Alright, and then this had been said so far on to this, my brother, my sister. A lot of things are actually happening. A lot of things are actually going on. Alright, and as it is at last on this one, it has been said that Sunday Igboho tells Buhari what the Yoruba nation needs from him. Alright, and then my brother, what more can we say? Onto this, Sunday Igboho had been able to tell it to the whole world. In fact, not even now, not even only Buhari. The whole world is aware of it. And then according to him, he has said no going back. We don't want restructuring. What we want is Yoruba nation, and it must be actualized. And then my brother, my sister, what can we say onto this? And then that is to tell you that Sunday Igboho is not backing out. Right as it is, no retreat, no surrender. Alright, majority of things had been said. Alright, and then meanwhile, Sunday Igboho has insisted that the Yoruba Nation protest will hold in Lagos come July 3rd amidst warnings and threats among those that have warned against the planned protest are some Yoruba elders and the UK chapter of the All Progressive Congress APC. They warned the agitators led by Sunday Igboho that the rally might be hijacked by hoodlums to wreak havoc on Lagosians. They cited the case of the #EndSARS protest of last year, which left Lagos burning after hoodlums hijacked the peaceful protest the peaceful demonstrations to call attention to police brutality in the country. All right, and then meanwhile, the APC UK chapter, through a statement signed by its chairman Philip Idewo, urged Igboho to call off the planned protest. He added that there were other ways for the group to channel their agitations while reacting on Alapo Omiyale Ademola, the media aide to Sunday. Igboho disclosed that nothing would change the stipulated date for the rally as planned for July 3rd, he added. All right, and the majority of things had actually been said onto this. Well, with what has been gathered, majority of the Southwesterners, the Odudua agitators, have made up their minds that no going back. That no going back on Odudua Nation Rally, which will be holding on the 3rd of July 2021 in Lagos. And then, no, the truth of the matter has been that this set of people, Sunday Igboho and the rest of them, they have the backing of God. And, majority of people have said it. Even some pastors, prophets have said that this Sunday Igboho that you are seeing is not by his power that he's doing all these things. And then even earlier, Sunday Igboho said the same thing, that anything he is doing is just the backing of God that is pushing him. If you believe that, oh, this guy has some fetish power that he's using, at the end of the day, my brother, you will just be surprised that God is actually behind him. God has sent him to do what he is doing. All right, and then what more can we say? A lot of things have been said so far onto this one. All right, well, and a majority of people have been of the fact that Odudua nation must stand. Well, some set of people are like, not majority of people, when you are talk about the Southwesterners. All right, I know this set of people know themselves. The set of people I'm talking about, okay, I think that is noted. Well, the Southwesterners and the majority of them who have been supporting the Odudua nation, they have said it that no going back. Well, the thing is, come July 3rd, 2021, it's another rally which will be coming up in Lagos. All right, many things had been said. Well, our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to protect these agitators, because it's not an easy thing. Like I used to tell everyone, that this is a spiritual battle. Yes, and then that has been it on this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.